Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia merilis perkembangan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina Senin tanggal 2 Mei. Rudal berbasis udara presisi tinggi menghantam 38 fasilitas militer Ukraina. Di antaranya, 4 pos komando, 30 titik kuat, area konsentrasi peralatan militer dan tenaga kerja Ukraina, dan 3 depot senjata rudal dan artileri di dekat Pervomaisko dan Ilyhovka, kata jubir militer Rusia, Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov. Juga hancur, 1 sistem rudal anti-pesawat OSA AKM dan 1 baterai peluncur roket ganda di dekat Arkhangelovka. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan tentara Angkatan Udara Rusia menghantam 27 titik kuat, area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer Ukraina, serta 1 senjata artileri rudal dan depot amunisi di dekat Chervonoe, wilayah Zaporozhye. Serangan tersebut mengakibatkan musnahnya lebih dari 160 nasionalis dan hingga 26 kendaraan lapis baja Ukraina, kata Majen Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles have hit 38 Ukrainian military facilities. Among them, 4 command posts, 30 strong points, areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, and 3 missile and artillery weapon depots near Pervomaiskaya and Ilychovka. Also destroyed 1 OSA AKM anti-aircraft missile system and 1 battery of multiple rocket launcher near Arkhangelovka. Operational tactical and dummy aviation of the Russian aerospace forces have hit 27 strong points, areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 1 missile artillery weapons and ammunition depot near Chervonoe Zaporozhye region. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 160 nationalists and up to 26 Ukrainian armored vehicles. Missile troops have struck 9 strong points and areas of concentration of manpower and equipment, as well as 1 Ukrainian battery of BM-21 Grad multiple launch rocket system and 1 artillery battery at firing positions during the day.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.